Welcome back to Blue Jay Bonsai. In today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing this box of bonsai pots from CSCeramique in Quebec. It's that time of the year again where repotting season is going to be here quicker than you know it. And if you're like me, you like to have options when you're repotting. And look at that. I am expecting to be repotting the outdoor, hardy trees, conifers. And so I am trying to get some more unglazed pots into my collection. So right off the bat, we have a nice thank you from Claude from CSCeramique. And wow, this thing is really packaged really well. All of this nice foam help hold everything in place. So let's dig in here and see what we have. There we go. First item up for bids. Wow. These are gorgeous. Oh yeah. This thing is sturdy and beautiful. I'll do some close-ups towards the end so you get a better look. But there is pot number 1. Really well packaged to survive that long trip. Actually, Claude did an amazing job. He got these into the post so quickly. I just ordered these the other day. All right, there's number 2. Oh, that is so cool. I don't know if you can see. I'll do that close up like I said. The texture here is just amazing. Wow, another high-fired unglazed. Let's get this mess out of here. Wow, Duke. Woo! Look at. Oh yeah, look at the texture. Fantastic. Man, oh man. This thing, wow, did you hear that ring? This thing is a work of art, beautiful and strong. And last but not least, what is that? That's not unglazed. That's blue. Hey, why would I want a blue pot? No. Oh, this thing is really nice. We'll do the close-ups next. Excellent packing job, Claude. They survived the trip, no problem. So let's get these up for some individual close-ups. Okay, so I have the glazed one up here on the turntable. A beautiful stand from Bonsai Science, Candace and Emily. You see that? Let's see if we can get a zoom. So you can see the, as I mentioned, the beautiful blue, the little pops of the underlying color coming through. You can see Claude's chop, the CS here, inside the pot. Drainage holes, wire holes, high-fired, serial number. Look at that. I'm going to be recording this serial number so Derek can't steal my pot and say it's his. Look at that. Another chop on the outside. Great legs. What a beauty. Okay, now we're on to the unglazed pots. So this one, as I said before, has this amazing, just amazing textured, barky texture here. It's in a kind of a orangey, I guess iron oxide color here. That is really nice. I think that would go good with a larch when it's turns orange in the fall. That's really cool. Once again, inside there is a chop, CS for Claude. The 2 drainage holes, 4 wire holes. Really cool feet. That's a different style. And another serial number and external chop. Isn't that handy? Isn't that nice? Just spin that around. So it is oval. You can see it's wider than it is this way. Beautiful. Just a beautiful pot. The next one, so this is a circular pot. It has a nice drainage in the middle, 4 wire holes, chop on the interior. Let me guess, again, chop on the exterior, and the high security serial number. Really nice, strong feet. Just an excellent, beautiful pot. And last but not least on the close-ups is this rectangular pot, unglazed as well. Take a look inside. We have 2 drainage holes, 4 wire holes, Claude's chop on the bottom, of course. We have again his chop, serial number. Great legs. You got great legs, Claude. And then I'm sure it's hard to see on camera, but it's got a really nice texture here, like little dabs of clay have been applied and smushed. Gives it this rough, bumpy texture. So I think that's going to conclude this video. A really nice short unboxing. I really just wanted to get the box open and make sure nothing got damaged in transport, and it didn't, thanks to the amazing packaging by Claude. And take a look at these pots and share it with you. I'll put a link to Claude's website in case you're interested as well. But so far, these appear to be just fantastic pots. Really happy with them, and I know in future I'll be getting more. So thanks again, Claude.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this type of content, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment to let YouTube know and to let me know you'd like to see more videos like this.